coat closet when you first walk in. All the low voltage wires going to that box right there. We have these oversized Pella windows. The building is spray foam insulated. Beautiful black granite counters and a leathered finish. You have room here for 2 bar stools comfortably. This is a coffee bar or a liquor bar, whichever you prefer. Video intercom here. We have virtual doorman capability by AccuVox. Wi-Fi thermostat here, you can control it from your phone. This window is approximately 10 feet wide, 7 feet tall. Put in these matte black ceiling fans. Gas range. Garbage pullout. Great size sink. Also has a pull-out 18-inch dishwasher here. Great storage. Beautiful refrigerators. Bottom freezer with an ice maker. This is your central heating and cooling, with an ERV unit that's constantly circulating fresh airflow in and out. This is the half bathroom, the guest bathroom. Full-size dishwasher, first-size washer dryer, gas venting out. It's plastic on the front of there. Here we have a great walk-in closet. It's about 7 feet deep. Walk in, you have a pocket door to the full bath. Recessed medicine cabinet. Stand-up shower, soap niche. All the plumbing fixtures are by Kohler and Delta. Hardwood oak floors, natural finish. Could fit a king-size bed in here this way. King-size bed with the frame is 7 feet. Your nightstands are 18 to 24 inches each. All of our interior doors are 8 feet tall. Hardwood doors, all matte black fixtures on them.